Do you know that LinkedIn has a spectacular branch that blow your mind? That is linkedinlearning.com. Here in this amazing platform, you can find huge amounts of courses in different topics and different niches, as you see. So here in LinkedIn Learning, you can find over 20,000 courses that cover different topics and different niches, such as career management, data visualization, rendering, programming foundations, job searching, and etc. And of course, it's like some other teaching platforms out there like Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable.com, and so on. However, the best part here in LinkedIn Learning, it gives you a golden opportunity to make money online. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn a lot of money using LinkedIn Learning platform, because this amazing platform provides a mind-blowing affiliate program. So when you head to this URL that says linkedin.com affiliate program, here by promoting this splendid platform and its courses, you can get $10 per free trial sign up for every single customer you bring. And for sure, it's an awesome thing because you don't have to sell anything or to convince people to pay bucks to enroll some courses and to go to this amazing platform to get certificates. And instead, you can get a lot of people and you can announce they are for free. These courses are for free to enroll, to watch all these courses and get certificates. Thus, bear in mind and be mindful to mention and highlight this feature. They are for free. You can promote these courses as they are for free, and of course you don't lie because they are actually for free. Because LinkedIn Learning, when anyone goes to this platform through your affiliate link, he will get a free month as a free trial to try some courses and try this amazing platform to get some knowledge, to up-level his skills, and so on. Thus, bear in mind, you gotta mention that they are for free. And that way you sound like as an honest person who loves sharing some teaching materials, learning subjects that help people to increase their knowledge base, to reinforce their CVs, to apply for jobs, to improve their skills, and etc. So you gotta mention and highlight they are for free, so you can promote this course, for example, about this one for time management, and you can promote this course as it is for free. And for sure, it's honest marketing, because if anyone loves this course to get this knowledge to how to manage their time, how to balance between many things during his day, so he will get this course, and first he will join this membership for free in LinkedIn Learning that gives him an entire month as a free trial to enroll to this course and some various courses as he likes, of course, in this free trial. So you can use this amazing feature. They are for free through your channels and your marketing campaigns. Okay, perfect. Thus, first of all, just you can head to this LinkedIn Learning affiliate program. Just you can sign up from here, affiliate program, and therefore you can enroll to Impact Radius, where you can insert your credentials and your required information to join this amazing platform and this affiliate program to start promoting LinkedIn Learning and its splendid courses. So here a good question comes up, where we can promote these courses as they are for free. For sure, right off the bat, many people seek to enroll some courses and get certificates, especially if they are for free and from some trustworthy platform like LinkedIn. So you can promote these such courses. They are free courses, okay, in a lot of channels, starting with social media. Yes, social media, especially like on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and so on. So for example, we head to Facebook. Here you can find different groups that talk about a lot of free courses, learning materials, teaching subjects, and so on, as you see for Udemy free and discount courses, free online courses, classes with certificates, and so on. So first of all, just you can join all these groups to promote your LinkedIn affiliate program and its courses for free. Don't forget that. Just you can post your ad and your marketing post as a provider of free courses from LinkedIn. However, be mindful of don't spam your posts and insert your direct affiliate links, okay, because it's forbidden and it's not allowed on Facebook groups. And instead, just you can use landing pages or a mediator between your audience and your LinkedIn learning platform. For example, you can use a Google site or a Blogger and so on, okay, as a landing page to promote your course that is for free, without any charge at all. If anyone enrolls to this membership and subscription for free in this entire month as a free trial on LinkedIn Learning, you will get immediately $10 as a commission like a boss. So the first place to promote these courses and this amazing platform is through Facebook groups. The second one definitely is Instagram. So here you can create a business page about courses, free course and so on. And therefore you can upload different reels and different posts that talk about a lot of different and variety of these courses you can find on LinkedIn Learning platform, like about time management, how to work smarter, organizing your remote office for maximum profits and so on, the 6 morning habits of high performance and so on and so forth. Here you can find a huge amount of these courses that you can use as a promotional tools, as a helpful tools to promote these amazing courses and this mind-blowing platform to get your commissions as a professional affiliate. So you can use Instagram, because here you can find a lot of people who seek to get a lot of knowledge, reinforce their skills, up-level their abilities. Thus you can leverage Instagram, as well as of course Pinterest.com, where you can market and promote this LinkedIn learning easily and simply using idea pins and regular pins that talk about a lot of courses in different niches and different topics that grab a lot of scrolling eyeballs and many people who want to polish their CVs to apply different jobs and so on. So you can take advantage of this amazing affiliate program in LinkedIn Learning to promote this amazing course as a person who loves helping people to get knowledge and to get culture and to get a lot of money as a professional affiliate. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.